Welcome back to Car RD Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge automotive news. Today, we're breaking down the electrifying news from Volvo ES90, set to redefine luxury mobility. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Volvo's upcoming electric vehicle, the ES90, is poised to replace the S90, signifying the automaker's dedicated shift towards electrification. Volvo has always been at the forefront of innovation, and its commitment to sustainability is unwavering. Reports suggest that the upcoming ES90 is a pivotal part of their strategy to introduce 6 electric models by 2026. The road to the future is electric, and Volvo is leading the charge. According to reports from the Swedish outlet Teknikens Värld, Volvo's paperwork in China indicates that the ES90 will enter full production in May 2024, making it a potential 2025 model year vehicle in America. An ES90 prototype is reportedly already undergoing testing, and early versions are seemingly in production, as evidenced by a photo obtained from an internal Volvo server. The photo shows employees at Volvo's parent company, Geely's Sixi assembly plant in China, standing in front of a banner that reads, "Volvo Cars V551, First VP Car Celebration." The new, all-electric Volvo ES90 will share a platform with the fully electric SUV model, the EX90. It will feature a 116 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a total electric power output of around 500 horsepower. This electric powertrain configuration is expected to offer a maximum range of about 650 kilometers, with fast charging capabilities allowing the battery to reach 80% capacity in approximately 20 minutes. While the design of the new model remains undisclosed, it is reasonable to assume similarities with the EX90 electric crossover, including LED headlights and the absence of a traditional front grille. Volvo may initiate series production as early as May. This move aligns with Volvo's broader strategy to introduce 6 electric models by 2026, showcasing the brand's commitment to sustainability and innovation. The debut of this new Volvo sedan could be imminent, with reports suggesting that series production will commence in May 2024 in China. It will enter a competitive market of electric luxury cars, further expanding the options available to consumers.